Okay, Google Apps for Education. So Google Apps for Education is kind of like the regular Google system where you get an email and Docs and Drive and Sheets and like all that kind of stuff. And you can also make your own like Google site, but it's at your school. Like the host name is your name at yourschool.edu. So everybody has like similar emails, and it's totally free. And there's also no advertisements because it's for education, and a lot of colleges and universities are already using it.
It provides a uniform method of communication for universities instead of having to remember each university domain name. It's a quick way to store and back up data. Everything you use automatically backs up to the Google servers. It provides instant connections for students around the globe, anywhere really. We made this whole project without having to meet in person, and it's easy to use with minimal maintenance. Everything updates automatically, and it's very easy.
Drawbacks is that you have to have a dedicated domain if you are a user, so it is extremely exclusive for people that belong to institutions that have established these Google accounts. It's also assuming that everyone has internet connections that are strong and present, and that there are issues with if too many users are trying to edit one document at a time. It can kind of have some backup issues, and then there are also like a lot of privacy concerns people have with the public nature of Google. Also, the whole digital footprint idea that you are putting your work out there to a place that will be, I mean, in 4 years, let's say at a university, all of your work will be destroyed unless you save it elsewhere in that process. Some people just don't understand it quite fully. So you are at the risk of losing work.
The current prevalence and expected future usage for Google Apps, more than 25 million students and teachers currently use this. And that includes K through 12 public schools, universities, and organizations. And these numbers are only expected to increase.
In our classroom, we can use this so that students have a way to work on projects even when they're not in class, or like when they're not together. They can use like the chat or Google Drives or through email. Also, teachers can post homework assignments on a class website so everybody knows like the assignments and what's going on. So if they were gone or if they forgot to write something down, it's all in like a common place. And it also keeps the parents involved if they want to know what the homework is or what the students are learning.
And students can stay connected wherever they are. It's great for collaborative projects, and it can always be used in conjunction with other Google programs like Google Earth.
And students will experience an increased collaboration that brings an entire school together.
Okay.